من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
ما شاء الله بيها حالة ديسكور
أعطاك جلاس ويو.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's your brother Adnan from Century Foundation. Alhamdulillah, we built a well today for our brother Abdurazak Hussein Muhammad, who passed away in America. And may Allah grant him Jannat al-Firdaus. And this well is for him, for these children that are in need, who have no water. Alhamdulillah, today they have water. So it's because of you guys' blessing, Alhamdulillah. And may Allah grant Abdurazak Hussein Muhammad Jannat al-Firdaus. Ameen.
Shukuru sana kwa maji vile mmetuletea. Tumepata bahati, tunashukuru kwa sababu tulikuwa tunateseka mpaka watoto wanakosa hata ya kuoka wakienda skuli. Tunashukuru.
Na leo vipi?
Nimekuja, nimepata maji. Nashukuru Mungu, Mwenyezi Mungu. Tumepata maji leo. Tunashukuru sana. Tulikuwa tunakosa maji kila siku. Nashukuru kwa maji.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Nashukuru.
ما شاء الله ماما. الحمد لله ماما.
الحمد لله, another water well.
ماجم بي معانا ما شاء الله.
Alhamdulillah, the water is sweet, lovely. May Allah bless my mother with Jannat al-Firdaus and grant her a wide grave. Alhamdulillah, another water well, plenty more to go. And inshallah, man, it's for you guys' blessings and through Allah's blessings. We couldn't do this ourselves, and Allah allowed us to give these people water today. Alhamdulillah. I gotta say again, Ramadan is soon. So guys, please make dua for my mother. May Allah grant her Jannat al-Firdaus and bless her with a wide grave. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa
هلو
ما شاء الله والله
الحمد لله.
حتى dadkooda wax weyn ah sadriskooda biyaha si qaadanooyin ma sha Allah taasa wax weyn ah waa kala wajidi ما شاء الله ولكن خير الله يصير ما شاء الله مرحومكم ان شاء الله الهي صدقه جاريه الله ودق واحده بحسن او في عن عيل iyo biyo عيل iyo مساعد
صح ما شاء الله.
biyaha lagu ciyaarayna hala joojiyo dadkaas oo ma yihiin biyo oo ma yihiin oo jeedin walaalayaal islaaliya xabtiina ka alaaliya way ku furo laga tagaayo dad u baahan anaga maba ka saaro biyaha ala xiro iska furan yahay 24 hours dadna saani u baahan marka careful guys
ما شاء الله. بس